What's up, YouTube? Alright, so my problem was that my rollers were not turning as smoothly as you see other people's rollers were. And so I was watching some videos on how to repack bearings, and as it turns out, these rollers are packed with grease instead of oil. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to wash out the grease. I'm going to put these bearings, put this down real quick. So there's this little gasket on the top, and use a little push pin to take that gasket off, but be careful that you don't bend it. And I'm going to repack these bearings that are full of grease with mineral oil. Ideally I'd be using high-speed bearing oil, but mineral oil has a temperature of, or boiling temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so I figure it would be good enough for now. But yeah, I'm gonna rinse these out with mineral spirits. I'm gonna throw these into a jar and shake them up and get all the grease out, and then I'm gonna put a couple of drops of mineral oil on the bearings and throw her back together and see how she performs. So figured you might like to see that, and I'll do a follow-up video here in a bit on the results.